How can I prevent damaging fabric while removing glue from it?
Hello, DIY enthusiasts. In today's guide, we're tackling a common issue many of us face: how to remove glue from fabric without causing any damage. From spilt craft glue on your favorite shirt to stubborn adhesive residue on a vintage textile, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
What will you need?
The key to safely removing glue from fabric is patience and the right tools. Here's what you'll need: a plastic scraper or old toothbrush, mild dish soap or laundry detergent, cold water, white vinegar, a clean cloth or sponge, a towel.
How to identify the glue type?
Identifying the type of glue on your fabric is crucial, as different types require different removal techniques. For instance, craft glues usually come out with soapy water, while stronger adhesives like superglue might need an acetone-based solution. If you're unsure, always try the gentlest method first.
How to remove craft glue?
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to remove craft glue. 1. Use a plastic scraper or toothbrush to gently scrape off as much glue as possible. 2. Create a mixture of cold water and mild dish soap or laundry detergent. 3. Soak the fabric in this mixture for about 15 to 30 minutes. 4. Gently blot the stained area with a clean cloth. Do not scrub, as this can damage the fabric. 5. Rinse with cold water and repeat the process if necessary.
How to remove superglue?
If the glue on your fabric is more stubborn, like superglue, follow these steps. 1. Carefully blot the glue spot with acetone, like a nail polish remover, using a clean cloth. Make sure not to soak the fabric, and avoid acetone if the fabric is acetate or triacetate, as it can damage these materials. 2. Gently scrape away the glue. 3. Rinse the fabric in cold water. 4. Wash as normal.
What about unknown or old glue stains?
For unknown or old glue stains, 1. Apply white vinegar to the stain and let it sit for about 15 minutes. 2. Gently scrape or blot the stain. 3. Renew with cold water and wash as normal. Remember, always test a small, inconspicuous area first when using any substance on your fabric. There you have it. With these simple steps, you can tackle any stubborn glue stain without risking damage to your precious fabrics. Remember, the golden rule here is patience and gentle treatment. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, keep your clothes glue-free.